Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a topic that's very critical for all the aspiring Scrum Masters. In this video, we will be discussing the thing that a Scrum Master should avoid. So let's dive right in. So number one, the thing that Scrum Master should avoid is micromanagement. It's very essential to trust your team and empower them to make decisions. The second thing that a Scrum Master should avoid is overloading the team member with unnecessary meeting. Sometimes, yes, the communication is vital, but excessive meeting can disrupt their workflow. So let's try to keep the meeting as per the guidelines of Scrum. That will help your team members staying productive and engaged. The third thing that a Scrum Master should avoid is neglecting the importance of self-improvement and continuous learning. Stay updated with the latest project management methodologies and technological advancement. By expanding your knowledge, you can better guide your team towards success. Another thing that a Scrum Master should avoid is favoritism within a team. Treat everyone equally, give them equal opportunities for growth and development. Celebrate little wins, celebrate diversity, encourage team members to help each other by doing more collaboration because together you can achieve extraordinary results. Lastly, do not underestimate the power of empathy. Understand each team member has their own strengths and weaknesses. Show compassion and support, and foster the environment where they can feel comfortable while sharing their ideas or any concern if they have. Well, thank you so much for watching the video, and that's all the thing that a Scrum Master should avoid. Remember, it's all about empowering your team member and promoting effective communication and foster a culture of continuous improvement. Stay in touch with us for more exciting videos. Thank you so much.